Hello and welcome, good people. I'm glad you are all doing well. And once again, welcome to Safer Real Estate Limited. And today, we have got a great offer for you. We have this beautiful 5-bedroom house in Irunda with a servant quarter nestled in a tranquil environment with fresh air and fresh water. It's strategically located near Village Market, Kiambu Road, Limuru, Ruaka Market, Two Rivers and Nairobi town, a short 3 minutes and 5 seconds drive to Village Market. This property boasts of ample parking space and beautiful garden priced at $4,500 per month. Book your viewing appointment now via WhatsApp or call our number to schedule and make this beautiful house your home. Thanks so much. God bless you all.